Welcome to another tutorial for raw WordPress. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a caption to the homepage slider. So as you can see here, I already have my homepage slider set up with a number of slides, and I'm going to go to the homepage in the editor and I'm going to add a caption. Now the first thing to do here is we click Add Media to access the slides, and I always make sure that the option Uploaded to this page is selected. That way we get to see the images that are only associated with the page that we're working on. So you can see that I have 4 slides here, and I'm going to select the first slide to add a caption to. Now you can either add a caption to the caption field or the description field. Either or will work. So I have a caption written out here in a document, so I'm going to just walk you through each of the different attributes and show you what it looks like in the front end. So the first attribute of the Epic Slider shortcode caption here is caption type. Now you have numerous different types to choose from, and I'm going to stick with impact for now. But you can see the different types of captions in the online documentation. There's an example of each. Caption position, you can position it top left, top right, center left, center right, bottom left, and bottom right. We also have the caption width attribute. For example, if you want your caption to be not as wide, or if you want it to take up the full width of the screen. We then, inside of the shortcode caption, have a span shortcode. And we use the span shortcode to vary the size of the text. And we use the class attribute to define different size classes. And you can choose between 6 different sizes that are entered as size, hyphen, and then the number 1 through 6. So I have size 2 here selected. I'm going to stick with that for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to paste it into the caption field. I'm going to click outside to make sure that it saves. And then I'm going to go to the front end and reload. And there we go, we have our first caption. Now if I wanted to alter it, you could easily just go back and, let's say here, change it to boxed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to change the position of it to center left. And I'm going to reduce the size of the text to size 5. I'm going to go ahead and click outside again to make sure it saves. This time I'm happy with the captions. I'm going to go ahead and close the media modal, and I can reload the front end to see what it looks like. And there we go. We have our boxed caption, which is positioned center left. Now obviously I have a width of 770 pixels, as you can see here. Now you can reduce that to make it look better. And you can play around with the size, with the different caption types, the positions, and also the width of the caption to get different effects. And that's all for this tutorial.